So some of the things I've been doing, hubby helped me put this on a plant stand, and so I've been digging in the dirt, y'all, so that we could organize a little bit better, because everything was just in these plastic containers just on the floor. So I have this one plant stand, and so this one, for whatever reason, was doing well, but it's dying now. I'm thinking it's because that it is either too much sun, or it's water, so I don't know, or it's overcrowded in this pot. So I have this pot right here. Something was in it, but it didn't grow. So I have this pot right here, and I'm just gonna put this in this pot and to repot it. So let's get started. Hi guys, I'm Synolve. How you guys doing? Hi, I sure hope you're doing well wherever you are. Well, we're doing okay. We're still a little frozen. We still don't have internet. The internet people, Wi-Fi, AT&T, they were supposed to come out today, but of course it's inclement weather. We've got ice everywhere, freezing rain, all of that. It's Wednesday, so it should clear out tomorrow. It's a bit of sun. I know y'all looking like sun. Where? I know. If we take the little bit we can get, but it's a lot more sun and a lot more light than it was yesterday. And I will take that because y'all know I have SAD. So I'm going to show you what we're kind of doing in the garden. So, and talk about the plans for what we're going to do outside, and then what we're going to be doing inside as well. So I'll take you through all of that. So I love you guys. I hope you're doing well. So let's get into it. All right, guys. So today I'm doing a bit of cleaning out of the garden. So I wanted to show you that some things that we're doing to clean out the garden. Of course, we can't do as much as we want to do today because it is just so much ice and snow out there. So we can't do everything that we want to do, but I'm gonna try to get some things done, and I want to take you along that journey and show you. So the plan for this video was to go through and clean out not only the inside, but also clean out the ice outside. But I'm not gonna be able to do that because of the ice and the snow. We had already moved things out in preparation of what we're gonna do today, but that ain't gonna happen. So we're gonna have to just like the chairs and that plant stand, and there's some more stands that are new things that our neighbor gave us when she moved. So we were gonna go through all of that, but that's not gonna happen. So I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna do inside, and then once it gets all, you know, the ice and all that is gone, Harp is in control, back under control like it's supposed to be, then I'll clean my window because it's so icy and just and then I'm just gonna show you what we've done inside. And like I said, once the ice and everything is gone, then we will clean out the inside. So it'll just be a two-part video. I did talk about the weather and what's going on here in Memphis, Tennessee, where I am. I talked about that in another video. I'll link it below, or it'll be at the top. But so you can guys check it out and kind of see what's going on with the weather here. Right, yeah, because my neighbor gave me this stand, which was nice when she moved, and so that gave me a chance to organize a lot better. And I'm actually going to get rid of some of the things that I have outside because we're growing now in the urban garden. So if something's not growing, I'm actually, as you can see, it's like the spinach is not going to come back. The Swiss chard is coming up, which is surprising, and then those beets are over there are coming up. Got some xoxo coming up, and then there are greens back there. I think they're mustard all the way back in the last one, and they are coming up. See, all the way back there. See that? There's mustard, and then there's xoxo. And this is strawberries are looking good. We got some more cactus. A friend gave us some cactus that he separating, growing, and they've been multiplying. So he got a whole growth of cactus. So my bee balm is looking okay the way it should look in the winter because it dies back and comes back. But the other things, you know, due to the Arctic freeze, they kind of just died. So I'm gonna take some of this out so I can get ready for spring planting everything that's not coming up, and I'm gonna start just planting more in the urban garden, and really, because some things are happening. I'll tell you about those as they come along, but exciting new things, I think. But we're just going to kind of scale back what we're producing here for the urban garden. So there's a lot of things going on, but this is just what we have on the balcony. So we're gonna get this repotted, and I may just bring her back down low so she's not getting so much sun. So all right, that's what we're doing today. So I had this deal, which is right over there, and I want to clean her out, because what happened was with her, I didn't clip off when it was growing, clip off the good stuff and dehydrate it and jar it like I should have. So this would happen. So now I got these dead leaves. So I'm hoping to save some of it, but I'm just gonna put this in compost because that's molded, and hopefully I can save her. We'll see. We collect rainwater, so we'll just leave this container over here. So I'm just gonna, well, that's not rainwater, actually. Picked up the wrong one. These are some of the fruit off the cactus. You see those in there now? So I picked up the wrong bucket. Let me pick up the right one. But yeah, we collect rainwater, and then that's what we try to use to water their plants. Okay, I got the right one now. Sorry, so much sun, y'all. Let's get back over here. That's the water deal. Too much water. Okay, so I've moved most of the things now off the stand. They just don't like it, and I moved some of these down more. They just don't like the stand for whatever reason. I don't know if it's too much sun or what. The good thing about the stand is you can water multiple things at one time, but yeah, they're not happy. So I'm gonna move them, and I moved them over here for right now, and we'll just see how it goes. I mean, life is a process and a journey, and you're growing, we're growing and learning, and you know, it's trial and error. You try things, some things work and some things don't, and then you try again. I'm just here for the journey. All right, here's what's inside. I did replant this. This is a couple of days later, so I did repot this, I'm sorry, but she's still, I don't know if she's gonna survive or not, so we'll see. And I definitely have to repot that. I was gonna come back and repot it, but we got ice, y'all. These are peppers, and they need to be replanted. I don't know what that white stuff is on there, y'all. If y'all know, let me know. So that's how it's looking. Actually, something I thought was dead was this, but it looks like it's one little sprout of something. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I'm gonna take that one sprout out and keep her. So yeah, and then this, it's got some little white stuff on it, so I don't know if that's trying to do mold or if that's a flower. I am not sure, y'all, because I'm just not sure. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to get my neem oil out and kind of spray this a bit. I got a neem with some baking soda kind of mix, so I'm probably gonna spray that. But I don't know, I'm kind of worried about her. And then this is the deal. So this is how the deal is doing, because I know I showed y'all the deal the other day. She needs to be repotted. I know we moved these things down, so I don't know. Hopefully they'll do better. See, look at her. This is the same plant. I'm not sure what it is, y'all. I can't tell you because my, you know, my name's washed away. But look, this one stayed low, and look how pretty she is compared to this one that we had on that stand. And she's losing the chlorophyll, her color, everything. Leaves are trying to die. So this is where we are. I was gonna clean out the basil. Remember we talked about that? Didn't get a chance to do that. So here's an update on what we're doing, what we've done, and of course there's more work to do. All right, guys, so what are your plans? What are you doing? I'm excited to know. What are your plans? What are you doing in the garden? Are you frozen too? If you are, let me know. Let me know how you're doing. I definitely want to know. And let me know your plans, because I'm really excited to hear what you guys are doing in your garden, whether it's outside, inside, whether you're in Memphis, Tennessee, where I am, or wherever you are in the world. All right, so it's icy, as you can see that ice. And then the streets are just a sheet of ice. It's just a sheet of ice. There's somebody down there. It's like they're picking up somebody, but look, if you can see that stuff on the top, that's just ice. This parking lot is a sheet of ice. People have been wrecking and doing stuff all day. That guy down there can't move. I think he almost hit a couple of cars and then just stopped right there because he can't move. So it's been a mess. People have been slipping and sliding all here all day. And of course, this complex doesn't do anything at all. Doesn't do anything at all to the parking lot to make it any better. So we were supposed to have AT&T come out, but of course, with the streets looking like this, because Memphis, they don't do anything to the streets. I don't care what they tell y'all. Oh, they have tons and tons of tons, whatever. They don't do nothing. They don't put any, anything down on the side streets. They may do stuff on the highways, but they just don't. And so, if they tell people stay at home, I'm gonna tell y'all stay at home, because you out here in these streets and these temps, ain't nobody gonna be able to save you. And it's sad, but I want y'all to be safe. I'm just telling y'all. I'm just telling y'all the truth. It is what it is. So I see some of the ice is gone because it's been like in the 30s. So it looks like some of the ice is thawing out, which is good. But yeah, got a lot that we wanted to do. I talked about this in another video, but we didn't get a chance to do. We had pulled this chair out. We had brought the stand out that our neighbor gave us. These two wrought iron stands, plant stands. So we were gonna be organizing, and we still are, but it's just not going according to plan. We're not going to be able to do it today. And then stuff's got to thaw out now. I did not cover anything, so I don't know. Looks like stuff's dead. I'm sorry. I just didn't have strength to cover anything this time. And we're getting ready for fall planting. The strawberries will be okay. If y'all see those, the strawberries are going to be okay, so that's fine. And then whatever's going to come back, it is what it is. It'll just come back. It is what it is. That's Southern. All right, y'all, that's Memphis right there. So it's gonna come back, so I'm not gonna worry about it this time as much as I obsessed over it last time. And then, like I said, we're just not gonna grow as much here anymore, as we're gonna just move everything to the urban garden. And what we have been doing was planting here in these containers. We planted in pots before. We planted in those green, in the in those I think it's 5-gallon or 10-gallon containers. Not gonna be doing any more. I'm just gonna kind of plant in these yellow containers. I'm gonna do just something on these stands, and then but the majority will be in the urban garden. So I'm gonna be okay with that. And then yeah, and so most of what we're gonna do today is gonna be working right here inside. Okay, so that's our plans. We're gonna dump all of this dirt and stuff, and then yeah, we're gonna dump all the dirt and stuff and put it in the compost bin. I know some things are gonna come back. So I know kind of what's gonna come back: the collards, the greens, the top soy. That always comes back. The Swiss chard was coming back, but I know I probably need more broccoli. The beets will come back. So that's kind of where we are, and I'm gonna be okay with that, with just planting everything in our bigger, larger space in the urban garden, and some great things will come in, like a greenhouse and all that. So it's gonna be exciting. All right, guys. Well, I sure hope you enjoyed my crazy, messy space in my home garden. And yeah, it's exciting. I'm still excited. It's 2023. So February 1, the first day of February in Black History Month, which, we celebrate Black History all year. I'm just saying. So it's a blessing to be alive. And the funeral for the service for Tyre Nichols was today. And so it's still very somber and very sad. I know some of you guys want to know, in the city. And so many of the moms of George Floyd and so many of the moms were there at the service today. And so wherever you are, please say a prayer for Memphis. Please say a prayer for the Nichols family. And y'all, please be safe and know that I love you guys. no matter where you are. All right, this is Synolve signing off. I think I got a gnat, y'all, flying around. I already told y'all I got the spray. So pray that you guys are well wherever you are, and I'll see you in another video real soon. Bye-bye, guys.